this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over one of the best looking hard hats I have ever seen in my life. This thing is awesome looking. It's from the company LANON. I think it's the LANON hard hat. And if you're like me and you do like tree work or any type of construction, I'll do some constructions from time to time, helping build houses and things like that. And I need to have a hard hat on. And if you're, you know, those plastic hard hats just ain't cutting it for you. A little more stylish and a little better protection with a nice brim on it. This is the hat I recommend. Now, this is a very premium hard hat. And let me show you some of the features of this thing. So first off, as you can see, it's full carbon. And this is not imitation carbon, everybody. Look how nice and clean that carbon looks. I see no problems in the weave and the way I've seen a lot of carbon in my day. And this looks very premium. And it feels indestructible. Like, you do not bend this thing. Solid. This has a clear coat on it. So look at that nice looking clear coat. Here's the things you get with it. You get a little set of stickers, watch, have a safe day, head, things like that. That's really cool. Like a bag to keep your hard hat in. What this is a little user manual. Not much to it. You know what? If you're having problems working a hard hat, you might want to reevaluate whether you need to be on the job site. This has a ratcheted system right here. They actually put different type of links right here, 6.5. See that? Very good quality ratcheted system. Look how wide it goes. So if you've got a big fat head, you're going to be able to fit it in here no problem, especially if you're a supervisor. You probably have a big head anyway, so you need to be able to fit your head in a hard hat that's actually sized for a supervisor, or at least someone that thinks they know everything that's going on the job site. And this has got a type of anti kind of perspiration. See how that is right there? Let me show you this. This actually comes off for cleaning, by the way. So you can remove all of this and clean it. I would just leave it right here. This is OSHA approved, so you don't have any problems with OSHA. You can move it up and down the ratcheting system. Let me show you this ratcheting system right here. So it actually moves up and down independently. So that way it's on your head if you want it more forward, more back. I think that's an easy system right there. So this does all pop out if you need to take it out and remove any of the things right here. It has this kind of top piece right here that goes up and it swivels like that. So it moves around on the head, but it will not fly off in large, like fast winds or things like that. It has a little bit of a sun brim going on around, and the back is wider than the front. I can't get over how sturdy this thing feels. Let me put it on, show you guys what it looks like on, and you know what? Then I might look like I know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead, let's put this thing on, and let's bang on it a little bit with a hammer. I don't want to scratch it up, but you know what? I need to tap on it for the purpose of this video. Okay, so putting it on right here, and as you can see, I'm wearing sunglasses, and this thing works great. This might be the most comfortable hard hat I've ever had on. And remember I was saying that it's adjustable up and down. You can move it lower down on your eyes like that, or move it up like this. So see how I can have it higher up? That gives me a little more visibility, or I could lower it down and kind of look more like a stealth mode right here. So you know what? Just in case a wrench falls on your head, you're not going to get hurt. I like that. This thing feels super, super sturdy. I've had these plastic style hard hats and I've never really liked those things. This thing feels really good. And if you do get a little bit of rain, it just runs off the sides right here, and it kind of protects back here. So you see it in the back, and see how that ratchet, it's nice and a big style ratchet. I can really tighten this thing up. Watch how it moves independently from the actual like grabbing mechanism right here. That's a technical term, by the way, grabbing mechanism. It goes right around right there. It's got a sweat band right here. Really nice tight on there. And I don't feel that at all because it's lifted off of the head. So very nice on that. Just another look over it right here. It's got the rivets that run around right there. This might be the most premium hard hat I've ever seen in my entire life. That's for sure. This is something I recommend for anyone, whether a linesman doing any type of tree work, or maybe construction, a bridge construction, or thing like that. And you just want to have a good premium hard hat for your job site. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the carbon fiber core, you know, by LANON hard hat. See you on the next video.